Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I'll show you how you can boot this device into safe mode. So to get started, all you need to do really is hold the power key, and once you see your boot options, hold the power off. This will then give you this pop-up right here, reboot to safe mode, so confirm by tapping on OK, and wait for the device to boot back up. And there we go. As you can see, we are now in safe mode. Now in this mode, only the pre-installed applications will function. Anything else that you have installed yourself will not be able to start. As you can see, we have a bunch of applications that will not start. And you can basically differentiate them. Normal apps that will run look like this. The ones that won't look like this. There we go. You also have this little overlay right here to let you know that you are in safe mode if you forget about it. So yeah, that's about it. Now to leave this mode, all you need to do is hold your power key and tap on restart, which will reboot the device and bring you back to normal mode. So that being said, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.